Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maitri Shah. I hope y'all are doing good. I hope y'all are safe, healthy and are staying indoors. Now today I'm trying to record my first ever vlog. Today is April 22nd. It's around 4:32 p.m. over here. I just finished my content work and so I thought maybe I should start recording a vlog today. First of all, thank you for asking me on Instagram to do a vlog of daily life. So this is my first attempt and I'm sorry if I do any mistake. Please forgive me. I'm just going to show you our raw life, whatever we do, how our days pass by, and also I'm not sure for how many days will I record a vlog and when will I post, but let's see. Whenever I post, you'll get to know, right? First of all, today I'm not going to talk anything about COVID. My aim is to let you forget about COVID for a while you watch our vlog. I hope that you smile. I hope that you forget your pain. I know the world, especially India, is going through a lot of things, and the purpose of creating this vlog is just to make you guys smile, make you guys feel that there's a world beyond COVID. I know it is easy to say, I know things are very worst, but let's just forget for a while and let's just, talk with each other through my video. So I don't know what I'm going to show you guys, but there's something interesting that I'm going to do tomorrow morning, for which I have been waiting since months and months. And so today I felt that maybe I should start recording today, and then we'll also show you what happens tomorrow. So I have just finished my content work and I'm hungry. I'm starving because it is 4:30, and at 4:30 my time generally it's about having milk and some snacks. So I'm going to get my milk, Bonvita. I cannot live without it, and especially it is a nice climate today. It is cold over here. Summer is strange in California, 2 days before it was scorching heat, and today and yesterday, in fact from yesterday, it is so cold. I am having my mom's shawl with me. It is just so cold. So anyway, I'll grab my milk and I'll grab my snacks, and then we'll talk about something. There's this one thing about me which I often remember whenever I have milk. I remember back in India when my mom used to tell me to have milk every day at 4 p.m. Especially there was this thing. In summer, I was asked to drink kesar milk or rose milk because it is cold, and in winters I used to have Bonvita. But I hated having milk back then. I literally hated. Whenever my mom used to ask me to drink milk, I used to go near the sink and have it over there. I don't know why. I felt it was so irritating. It was so disgusting. And now I am used to having milk every day, every afternoon. Of course not in the morning because I'm a chai person and I want my tea in the morning. It just kickstarts my day. But every afternoon I make sure to have some milk. That is how I feel satisfied at least. And also I just realized that I was supposed to record the previous clips in landscape mode, and because YouTube has the landscape view, I'm sorry for that, but now onwards I'll make sure that I shoot in the landscape mode. So it's 5:15 and I'm done with my snacks, and today evening I'm planning to make khichdi. So I just soaked the moong ki dal and rice for that. It is cold over here, and so I'm craving for a nice hot khichdi in the dinner. So I just did that, and now for an hour I'm going to work on something very interesting, something which is very, very, very close to my heart, and something that has taken such a long time to come out. So I'm working on my brand and I'm going to soon reveal it on Instagram. There's this one thing about working on your own brand, putting out yourself as a brand. I was super conscious. I had this thought last year. I think it was around March, and I had this thought that, I never want to do a job. I would rather work on my own for my own self and I'll just build my company sometime and later in future. And ever since then I had this thought, but I was conscious because suddenly when you start working on your brand, working on your vision, you of course have doubts. What if I fail? What if things will not work? What if people will judge me? What if something will go wrong? Anything can happen, right? But I knew that I wanted to do it, and I started working on my brand, which is on my website, in October, I guess. Yeah, I kept on delaying it because I was conscious and I was doubting. I kept on delaying it. In between, I did get some amazing reviews about my work, and about people asked me that, you should develop your own website. Why don't you have any presence on Google? You should do it. So it was always there in my mind, and after October I started working back. I was working on my website, I was developing it, and finally it is now ready, and I'm so excited to reveal it, to share with you guys. Of course, today I'm not going to show you my website because there are some changes which are still left to do, but probably in coming weeks I'm going to post about my website on Instagram and on social media platforms. I'm really very excited. I want to know from you guys, how do you like the website, because I have created with a very different theme. Probably it is something which I have recently started loving the most. If you can guess any color which I love the most, then drop your comments. I would like to see how much you guys know me. I have been always saying about that one color on my Instagram quite often, so let me know if you know that color. It is related to that color. So yeah, I'm just going to show you a little bit of my website, and I'll work on my website for around 1 hour. I have to still make some fixes, although I think even if I post about my website, it is going to still take me some time to make my website entirely clear and neat. But at least right now it is in that stage where I can publish it, where I can share with all you beautiful people, because you guys have supported me so much. You guys have inspired me. I remember having consultation chats and then consultation calls, so it gave me that motivation to just put it out, to just do it. Even if I fail, that's okay. Who cares? What matters is the lessons that I learned from the failures. So have you felt something similar, where you doubted yourself and thought that you want to try, but then you were not sure, you were skeptical, but then when you started trying it out, did that work for you? Let me know your side of the story. Let me know what's that one thing which you have already worked on and have been successful, or are you planning to work on? Let me know in the comment section. And so here's my website. These are the services that I'm going to roll out. I'm not going to show more of this, but for sure very soon. And this has been possible with support from you guys, especially with the consultancy thing. I think many people who contacted me on Instagram motivated me to do it. So yeah, all thanks to your motivation. I couldn't have done it without your support. Now I'll just finish some of my fixes, and after 1 hour I'll be back with you guys. Then I'm going to make my dinner. Also I'm going to you'll see as and when I record it. I don't want to say everything out. And also after a long time, today I and Dhruvan are going to do something for us, so we'll be sharing it with you guys very soon once he's back from office. So let me just finish this and I'll be back with you. So my dinner is almost set. This is my plain khichdi. I was craving for a plain masala wali khichdi. So in this we just have turmeric and red chili powder. Ekdam plain, nothing extraordinary in this. I really like this. At times, just to have basic food is good for your health, and it is also good for your appetite. And here's my Gujarati curry. And I prefer having chundo with this khichdi curry. This is something that we used to have back at my home, so I'm going to have my khichdi curry like that. And yeah, that's it. I'll just wait for this khichdi for 3 whistles, and then my dinner will be ready. I'm now waiting for Dhruvin because there's something that I had asked him yesterday that can we please do it today? It's been so long. So I'm just waiting for him to be back. And it's funny, today I'm looking here and there again and again, probably because it is my first vlog, so I'm a little bit confused. But yeah, waiting for him to be back home, and then we'll share with you guys again what we do next. So till then, I'll wait for my khichdi for Tron City. So this is what I was asking Dhruvin since yesterday, that can we please go for a walk, because he comes from office after 9 hours, so it is tough for him little bit. But today the weather is very good.
Weather is not good actually.
Because it is cold?
Yes.
Dhruvin hates cold weather. He is a summer person and I am a winter person. I hate summers and he hates winters. But I love this, so here we are out for a walk right now.
આ બેનું કરે બહાર.
ઓળખે તું બેન ના? જા.
ઊભા છે એટલે ખાલી.
એ વાત કરું તારે? એ બાજુના જ કોઈના ઘરમાંથી આવી છે. સો એ મરચું મીઠું માંગતા આવી છે. તારે વાત કરવી? જા ને.
કોઈ ખોલતું જ નથી.
તને દુઃખ થાય છે? હંમેશા બીજા બૈરાઓને જોતો હોય ધ્રુવિન તું. So Dhruvin, how was your day?
ચાલે નોર્મલ જ હતું, કઈ બહુ નવાજૂની હતી નહીં.
બહુ કામ કર્યું?
કામ તો કરવું જ પડે ને, વાત કરે.
તને આવડે ખરી? મને ધ્રુવિન કોઈ બિલીવ નહીં થાય કે તું પેલો કોલેજનો છોકરો ડોબો ને હવે તને જોબ મળી ગઈ ને તું આ મસ્ત જોબ કર. યાર અહીંયા ફ્લાવર્સ કેટલા મસ્ત છે યાર. મેં છે ને જોયું તો રોઝ આપણે બાજુમાં જે જગ્યા છે ને, એટલા મસ્ત આખું રોઝનું પ્લાન્ટ કવર્ડ હતું. તો મને થયું કે તોડી લઉં.
તોડ્યા કે નહીં પછી?
નહીં યાર, એવું નહીં ચાલે, બોલે
કઈ કોઈ બોલે નહીં.
બટ ઇટ ઇઝ બેડ. લેમન તોડાય. આ જો આ બી કેટલું મસ્ત છે. ચાલ વિડીયોમાં કેપ્ચર કરું. મારો હાથ દુખે જવાનો. Daddy, vaccine.
બસ
Vaccine.
બસ.
If you have not watched our baby vlog, baby video, then go check it out on Instagram. Dhruvin, can you please hold this? It is paining.
ના.
One reason why Dhruvin got ready to come out for a walk is that he wanted to explore houses in the neighborhood. By now you might be aware of how real estate person he has become. Dhruvin, જા ઘર ખાલી છે. જોઈ લે એનો નંબર તો નોટ કરી.
ના પણ હવે આ બરાબર જ ઘર છે.
એ નહીં, આ
એ બી બરાબર છે.
અરે તેમ બરાબર છે એટલે તને શું કરવું છે?
બગડેલું હોવું જોઈએ.
બગડેલું ઘર શોધે છે માણસ, વિચારો.
તો પૈસા બને, વાત કરે છે.
So yeah, he has also asked me to now walk down all the nearby streets every
week once.
Every week once. Okay, I thought he's going to say every day.
જો લોકો છે ને આ બાજુ કેટલું ક્રિએટિવ બનાવે છે બધું. આમ બહાર
ફ્લાવર્સ કેટલા મસ્ત છે.
હા, ગરોડી બી છે. જો
ક્યાં છે ગરોડી?
એ રહી.
Dhruvin, seriously? Now we are going to walk for around 15 minutes. And by then I'll be already hungry. So we'll just finish walking and enjoy the climate, and then we'll be back with you guys soon. Hi guys, so I'm recording my vlog again. I had started this vlog on April 22nd, and after that I was supposed to record on the very next day itself. I know I had told that tomorrow I'm going to go at a very special place, and so I want to show you that. So basically I wanted to show you guys Jain temple. I'm sorry if you're not Jain, you might have to still see this. So the temple had opened up after around 4 or 3 months, I don't know, and I got to know that the temple is open. So I wanted to go and visit the temple, do the darshan, and also show you guys. But unfortunately on 23rd itself, like 23rd April, when I was going to go to temple, that very day I got to know that my father has COVID. I know I had promised you guys that I'll not talk about COVID, but I just want to let you guys know that this was the situation, and because of that I couldn't continue my vlog, which I wanted to post quite early than what I had expected, but I couldn't do it. And so finally, after like a hustle of around 10 to 12 days, so there was a lot of traffic and I of course did not want to record vlog anyway. So just to give you a hint of it, so my dad was even hospitalized and I was actually not at all in state of recording any video. I was on constant calls in India, and anyway, I don't want to talk more about COVID. By God's grace, by everyone's prayers, by my entire family's support, my father is back home and he's recovering. So I thought that, again, since today I'm going to go to Derasar, so I thought that let me just talk with you guys, let me just record this vlog for all of you, because I know I had been posting Derasar photos on my Instagram and many of you were texting me saying that this is such a beautiful Derasar, thank you for showing this. So I thought that since I'm going to Derasar every day, so today I'm in a good mood, everything is good in India right now, so I thought let me just do that for you guys. And so we are on the way to Derasar. Jain temple is literally less than 10 minutes from my home, and it opens up at 6:30 in the evening. So I'm on my way to it, and will show you as much as possible. I'm not sure how much is allowed. I'll see if I can meet the Pujari ji and I can ask him, or I'll just show you a hint of few things. I know few things are allowed, but I don't want to be in any trouble by, you know, just recording the entire Derasar and doing all that, but I'll try my best to show you as much as I can. After so many days, it feels good to be back doing what I love doing, content creation. And it's funny, like today when I was trying to record the YouTube video, for the first 3 takes I couldn't record it, because, you know, I think it is a thing with creating content. Once you stop doing it, again when you start it, you need that energy to do it. Your mind needs to process again, your mind needs to get into the rhythm of doing it. So yes, it did take me a little time today, and I was like, oh no, not again, because I remember initially when I had just started recording YouTube videos, I used to take an hour and a half, I guess, yeah. I used to take long hours to record one video. So that's why I always say consistency. Consistency is the key. If we stop doing it, we are going to lose a grip of it, we are going to lose the interest, and we obviously don't want to stop doing what we love doing. So if you're a content creator, or if you're into any field which requires a lot of hard work and consistency, do it. Give your best. It is going to work in your favor. I wish I could show you the road and stuff, but since I'm alone in the car, I don't want to risk my driving by, you know, taking the phone in hand and doing recording the road and stuff. So maybe next time when Dhruvan is with me, I'll try doing that. I have reached the Derasar. As you can see behind me, it's a huge building, and without mask you cannot enter inside. So I have put on my mask and I'm not going to talk. Once I enter inside, I'll just show as much as possible and I'll do the darshan, and then I'll get back to you guys. So as you can see, it's quite big. Let's go inside. How gorgeous this view is, right? So we are going to press the bell and someone is going to open it.
Please leave your name and phone number. Janendra?
Jai Janendra. So that's it, you guys. I'm sorry, extremely sorry for recording this vlog in portrait mode, landscape mode. I'm sorry, but I couldn't find a solution this time. Probably by next time I'll try to make sure that I record just in one mode. So this was the Jain temple, which is also known as Jain Center of Southern California, and I hope that you love to see the temple. I hope that you got to do the darshan virtually. મને આ દેરાસર બહુ જ ગમે છે. I come here often, and since now it is open, so I'm trying to come as much as I can, like daily. Let's see how far I can do that. At least if not daily, later on then weekly once I'm going to try that. Yeah, so also I wanted to show you the other side of the Jain temple, where there is a big auditorium kind of thing. Also there is replica of Palitana's Derasar. I'm extremely sorry if you're not Jain, then you might not be aware of all those things, but I just want to let you guys know about how the temple is in Southern California in United States. So there's also the other side where they have created a tiny a small temple which is replica of original Palitana's Derasar. I wanted to show you that, but the door was closed, so I couldn't go on that side. Probably sometime later I'll do that as well. So I think I'm going to end this vlog over here, and until next time I'll be back again with some interesting thing. We'll show you something around, or probably we'll be doing something which we would like to share with you guys. So I'm going to come up again live. I'm going to record a vlog again sometime later, and I'm going to end this vlog here. Now I have to rush home, cook dinner and finish my day. So I hope this was interesting. I hope this was fun to watch. If you liked watching it, if you liked the Jain temple tour, if you like this vlog, this was my first vlog, so I would really appreciate if you guys can put your thoughts, comments, if you can give me a like, if you can please subscribe to my channel, and if you have Jain friends, then make sure that you share this vlog with them. I'm sure they'll be happy to see Jain Derasar virtually. And in this tough times, we all need blessings of God. So even if you're not Jain, I just want to let you know that God is there blessing us all. He's blessing your family as well, and let's just hope for the best. Everything is going to be good soon, and we'll be back again sometime later. Till then, take care, you guys. Stay safe. Wash your hands. Make sure you don't touch your hand on your face, and don't touch anywhere else as well. Try to use hand gloves and just take ultimate precautions. I have seen virtually my family suffering, and I don't want anyone to suffer like that. So please, you guys, be safe, take care, extreme care of your family, and remember one thing. Just want to add one sentence, one important thing for COVID. I'm sorry I had promised that I'll not talk about COVID, but because I've experienced personally, so I just want to let you know that if you or your family or your friends, anyone is suffering from COVID, please make sure that they are mentally strong. I have realized, I have understood from a couple of cases that COVID, along with your body, it is a mind game. Your mind has to be extremely strong. You shouldn't be weak at any point of time. You should remind yourself that you are going to be out of it. If anyone you know is suffering from this, make sure that you give them mental support, make sure that you spread positivity, and make sure that you love them from a distance, but at least give them mental support and tell them to be mentally strong. My father has been mentally strong, my mother has been mentally strong, and so things have worked in our favor, but it does not work in favor always for everyone, especially when you give up mentally, and I don't want you to give up mentally. So please share this important information with people about whom you care a lot. So anyways, I'm going to end this here, and once again, take care, stay safe, eat well, be at home, love your family, and God bless you all. And if you liked my vlog, please bless me a little bit by liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Take care.